Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Airwallex Payment Gateway integration for Odoo. It enables the fast, secure and the global online payments directly within the Odoo ERP system. It supports the multi-currency transaction with the real-time confirmation and helps the international payment smoothly and efficiently. So here for the first step I have already configured the database and now I'm just going to the website module and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment providers. So here I'm going to select the Airwallex as a payment method. Now first you have to enable it in the test mode and select the company and the website. After that, under the credentials tab, you have to add the credentials for the same and just click on this check connection icon. So you can see it is successful. After that, I'm just going to the home page and navigating to the shop page and adding one product and selecting it to the cart. After that, I'm just going to confirm the same and I'm selecting the Airwallex as a payment method. So here you can see you have a multiple options. You can whether pay with the Google Pay or a Visa card or many options are available for the same. Here I'm just going to add the card details and pay for the same. So here you can see our transaction is completed and one sale order is also created for the same. After that, I'm just going to the configuration and under that you will find one option for the payment transactions. Here I'm selecting the latest one. So in this transactions, you can able to see the payment method and the provider. You can also able to track the Airwallex details. If you want to see the sale order created for the website, just click on the smart button. So here you can able to see the sale order and you can also track all the details. After that, if you want to track the payment, you just have to click on this payment. So here you can able to find the unique code and all details for the payment. After that, if you wish to generate the refund for the same, you just have to click on this refund icon and I'm just going to proceed further. Proceed. Now I'm just going back to the sale order. So here in the top you can see one refund is also created and the amount and the transactions detail for the refund is also fetched over here. After that I'm just going to the Airwallex Payment Gateway and here in the payments overview you can also able to see the order ID and the payment status and the method. You can see it is refunded. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.